the whole point here is that you're trying to get found on Amazon. If you're trying to sell your products, you need people to see them. So like we were talking about before, that advertising, having your optimized listing, and having those reviews are really important. Amazon has also kind of been tweaking their algorithm over the years. So we know that things like your sales history, the amount of time you've been selling on Amazon, your seller feedback, your reviews, which are different. That's a question that we still get a lot. And feedback, I think, gets kind of overlooked by a lot of people. But that's actually about the buyer's experience with you as a seller. So was the order late? Did you provide the service that they expected? Things like that. And then the review is actually the rating of your product. And then Amazon also looks at the return rate. At the end of the day, they want to make money. So Amazon wants to send people to your listing and know that you're going to be able to send them a product that's going to make them happy. And they're going to come back and buy more, or tell their friends, or just leave a great review. So if you're having a lot of returns, that kind of shows Amazon that maybe there's something that's not quite right, or maybe there's an issue with your product. And so that might make you...
Hey, it's Ria Mittal here. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe to Seller App's main YouTube channel, where we upload all things Amazon and some how-to guides that will make sure that you're winning on Amazon. You will not get this anywhere else. Until the next time, happy selling.